Everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove a green screen in Premiere Pro. So I have this video right here of morning filing with a green screen behind it, but of course I want to remove the green screen. So here's a really easy way to fix this. It will literally only take like 5 seconds. So go to the effects panel right here. If you don't have the effects panel, make sure that you have it enabled here, and then effects. And what you then want to do is you want to make sure to type in Ultra. Ultra key is the effect we're looking for. Just swipe the Ultra key effect onto your timeline and onto the clip you want to remove the green screen from. Then what you're going to do is right here in the effects control, make sure you have this enabled as well in Windows and then effects control. Here what you want to do is you want to make sure that the key color is set to green. You can simply click here and then you can simply use the green. And now we can see that the background is removed. Sometimes it looks a little bit weird, so you can do some extra settings such as relaxed or aggressive, and that's basically based on how the edges are going to look like of the objects. So yeah, you have to play a little bit with it, but yeah, that's how you can remove a green screen in Premiere Pro. If you learned something from this video, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I would really appreciate it if I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.